Hey family, how you doing? These tiny houses are moving already, so if you're interested, you have to hop on it now. 2 bedroom, 2 bath, brick home going for only $35,000. That's brand new homes, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, brick houses going for only $35,000. You own the house and the land. $35,000. Now we're only building 10 of them, so you don't have a long time. So if you're interested, contact me, Ty Nichols, 770-377-6025. Once again, 770-377-6025. Yep. All right, here's Miss Witcher looking at her place over here. The first installment of the tiny houses. Here's Erica. Still under construction. You not gonna go inside, or are you still looking?
I don't know where to step to go inside.
Yeah, because this dirt wasn't here the other day. I'm gonna go this way. It might be slippery though. Here you go. Can you make it? Oh, you got it. You need a hand, or
No, I'm good.
okay? Yeah, let's just walk around. What kind of shoes you got on? Oh, you're sent. You want me? I can pull you up if you want me to.
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Yeah, just come over here. Oh, look, you made it. Whoa. Oh, you made no. You okay? You got it.
Give me a hand. Give me a hand.
Don't tell me you record all this.
Of course, I recorded it. No, it's fine.
I'm like, I have the wrong shoes on for this one.
Yeah, just take your time. It's no problem.
I gotta lose. I don't want no tennis shoes. Now I learn my lesson.
No, it's fine. Watch your head when you come in. All right, this is the inside. This is the living room, or where the living room is gonna go. And back here should be the kitchen. Man, you got a lot of windows, so that's good. That's what you wanted anyway, too, right? And they've started on the roof here.
It's so cute.
Dreams do come true. And look at this is the view from y'all when y'all cooking. Look at this mountain.
Are they gonna bring all this down right here?
Bring all what down?
What is this?
Yeah, that's
Pedestal.
yeah, that's where they store the supplies is inside behind this blue cover. No, so it don't rain on it and so forth. That's your bricks and stuff.
Okay. So
So-
this is going. This is the kitchen.
Yes.
Okay. This is the back door.
Yes.
That big door.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. Then over here are your 2 bedrooms and bath. Right, this is the bedroom. bath.
I'm gonna see how this is. There's two. This is the bedroom.
And here's the other bedroom and bath. I think the bathroom should be a little wider though.
Yeah, this is the bedroom.
Yes.
And this is the bathroom.
Yeah, that's all I'm saying. Maybe that.
Yeah, I thought it would be a little bigger than this.
Yeah.
What's this
Yeah.
room?
The bathroom. That's what I'm saying. It should have been a little wider.
Right. Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be a
Yeah.
tub, not a tub. Shower.
Shower, toilet, and sink.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Small.
Yeah.
This your bathroom.
Yeah, yeah, but see, I thought it was gonna be a little bigger.
Yeah. That's the only thing I see.
They
Good.
couldn't make it any bigger, you know?
Well, I don't know about now.
Oh, so that's it.
Yeah.
I didn't know they were building it. I was like,
Yeah.
oh, it's gonna work.
Real quick. It's really small. You see how small the bathroom is? That's in the
Yeah, it's
shower.
small.
Because the shower's gonna be at the end, and this is toilet, and then a sink right there.
Well, we get ready to get rained on, huh? But I like the house myself. The only thing is, yeah, the bathroom is a little small. But other than that, I'm standing in the kitchen. This kitchen area is big with a lot of windows. Of course, after they moved this down, you'd be able to see the total view. But this is a spectacular view over here, even in the rain. You see the mountains all back here. But this is a great view.